Are you noticing your Copilot chat history filling up faster than expected? Every time you summarize an email in Outlook, Copilot chat saves that interaction, often with similar titles and no timestamps to visually tell them apart. Well, today I'm going to show you a tip that reduces clutter in your Copilot chat history without giving up the speed of quick email summaries in Copilot. Let's get started. I am in Adele's new Outlook account, and she has the Copilot chat version, which is not the premium version of Copilot, meaning that her information is not grounded in the work. And so, only time you can summarize an email in Outlook is by having the chat pane open. So, if I click on summarize this email, I get my summary. So that's cool. Now, my workflow is I like to click on this symbol to look at the next item and get a summary of this email as well. And here is my summary. And if I want to continue to get more information, I can. But here's the problem. What's happening is every time I hit summarize this email, it stores it in my chat. And if you look here, I have a lot of them here. The only way I know what this email is about is I would actually happen to open it to get the date. You can start deleting them because a lot of times what's happening is we just want a quick summary. We got the information we needed and move on to the next one. Or you can also rename it if you want to, but that takes up a lot of time as well. So here is the solution. What you want to do is start a new chat using the temporary chat screen. So you can bring this up. I'll go to the next email, hit summarize. Notice this icon here letting you know that you are in the temporary chat session. I'm going to advance to the next one and hit summarize. If I look at my chat history, notice the last two actions were not recorded. Just remember to use the temporary chat session when you want to summarize your emails to keep your Copilot chat history clean. You don't have to go and delete summaries one by one later. Now, go work your magic.